again. This is Sweetness Promotions. I hope everybody is having a good time. Everyone is in the best of health. Anyway, you know one thing I admire with us Jamaicans, everybody right now is, in this big competition. Some people want to be queen, some people want the dancehall queen, some people want to be dancehall king of the dance and all everything. But one thing I know is only one and only Dan Gargan. One and only Dan Gargan. Anyway, incarcerated dancehall star Ninjaman, as he affectionately called, will return to the home circuit court on June 2nd as his legal team presses ahead with appeal of his murder conviction. Attorney at law Robert Fletcher confirmed that Ninjaman would return to court but did not reveal any details about the strategy of the legal team. The team is going through the transcript right now and noting the discrepancy and conflicting testimony so that they can, mount a more formidable defense. So, they're studying everything at the moment and make sure that when, the case presented, then they know exactly what is what. Anyway, Nita Robertson had intended to challenge the DJ's murder conviction and the grounds that he did not receive a fair trial, which is a constitutional entitlement for every citizen. So, every citizen in Jamaica or even of a country, you have a constitutional right that you're supposed to enjoy, enjoy. You understand? Anyway, it is alleged that on the day in question in March 2009, the now deceased Ricardo Johnson was sweeping his yard in the company of a friend on Mall Road in St. Andrew when a motor car with 3 men drove up. An argument developed between Johnson's friend and the men, who left but later returned with guns. Johnson was fatally shot in the incident. The Ninjaman was accused. So basically what they were saying is Ninjaman. So police get involved and he, turning himself to the police officers shortly after the incident, upon hearing that he was being sought as a person of interest in the case. But November 2017, Ninjaman was convicted for the murder of Mr. Johnson and sentenced to life in prison for murder of Johnson. He was convicted along with his son Jamil Ballantyne and Dennis Clayton. He was sentenced to serve at least 25 years in prison before being eligible for parole. In a sense, so that is what is going on right now. So right now, Ninjaman gonna appeal the case. His legal team gonna appeal the case, and in June, and see if they can really put back the Dan Gargan on the street. Put back the Dan Gargan on the street. Everybody coming out now, so well then why not try something? Yeah. I would do the same thing too. Appeal, especially if you know that then you wasn't guilty. If you know that you're not guilty, then you have all right to. But then again, if you're guilty, you're gonna have to face the consequence anyway. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little video here. And I'm gonna ask you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Sweetness Promotion. You take care now, be blessed, and stay safe.